10% goes to others. That's charity. That's church. That's others. So that's the final allocation. So if you make $1, go ahead and put a dime to the side. It makes you feel good. Does that make sense? You make $100, put 10 to the side. A lot of my friends are with me all the time. When people come up, ask for money, I always give it to them. Not always. Sometimes I know when you're hustling. Sometimes I know when it's legit. Sometimes you don't know. You just know you did the right thing. And if you go smoke it up, that ain't my problem, right? But Brian, you always giving, because that's coming from the giving jar. It ain't. He can't. I don't care how dire his situation is. He can't have my operating capital. Does that make sense? That's for my son. Now, bro, I know you fellas some hard times, but this comes from the giving jar. If the giving jar is empty, you can't have it, because I don't have it to give. It's not that I don't have it. I don't have it to give. You should have caught me when the giving jar was open. The giving jar is empty. 4 more people caught me on the street before you. They got it, man. I'm sorry. I double back when I get more money in the giving jar. But you can't touch my personal. You can't touch my operating capital. You can't touch my future. The 10% jar is closed. I had to do that. That's how I lost my first million. Giving too much. Knowing that it would come back. Then when my well ran dry, guess what? Then nobody had nothing. Nothing. Hey, man, I fell on some hard time. Remember I was spotting you a couple of thousand back in the day. Still ain't said nothing about it. But, now it just helped me out. Man, that thing still tight for me, too. Still tight for you, too, huh? Yeah, still, you know they do this. You ain't got it either, huh? Look like we're doing patty cake now, everybody. Everybody patty cake now. We patty cake. You ain't got it either, huh? You ain't got my money either. When I fell in them hard times, didn't nobody had nothing. Oh, okay. I said, okay. So that's my early 20s. By the time I got older, I said, okay, I see how this go. I like helping people. I feel good when I give. So, but this time, when this is empty, the answer is no. Yes. Write this down. No is a complete sentence. And that's just the bottom line.